Hey guys, my name is Jimmylee. I am your fashion designer. So anybody that doesn't know who I am, my entire life I've done fashion. I've opened up fashion stores that has done men's suits to women's gowns as something that you could see. I came up with my own undergarment called the Motivator, which sucks you in and tones you and makes you feel great. I patent it and trade it. I know fashion. But now I want to get to know you. So I came up with a YouTube channel that's going to make you excited. It's going to educate you as well as it does me. So I need you to subscribe. I need you to hit the notification bell so when something happens, you know what's going on. I want you to be excited about fashion like I am. Now, fashion comes from within, so you got to love yourself. And as you can probably tell by this video, I'm obsessed with me. But I like that. And I'm going to teach you how to love yourself, even more than you think you could. I have twin boys that are 5 years old that make me feel love all the time and a fabulous husband. But it's my love that counts. It's my love that makes me get up and makes me want to dress up and look good for you, and most important, look good for me. So I'm going to teach you how to do all of this. I'm going to let you know what's good for you. How do I do that? By communication. By you getting involved into this channel, we're going to be friends. So I'm the gay guy you're going to stick in the pocket. You're going to walk in the store and you're going to hear my voice. You don't need anybody else's. Between me and you, we're going to be a team. So give me thumbs up. Let me know you love me. I'm already in love with you. So get excited, guys. YouTube, look out. We're going to kick some ass.